Welcome to the second episode of 5 Minutes with Foodie. I'm very excited to make you something. This is an extravagant wrap that we're going to make you. An extravagant keto wrap. You will need chopped portobello mushrooms, garlic, red onions, bell peppers, 6 eggs, salt, pepper, olive oil, and shredded cheese. Let's get started by preheating the oven to 350 and starting up the pan to medium-low heat and adding in some olive oil. While I'm doing that, I've lined a baking sheet with parchment paper. Now that our pan is hot, I'm going to add the portobello mushrooms, the roasted peppers, onions, and garlic to the pan. Sprinkle the olive oil on top and just let them saute while I start to make the wrap. I have a mixing bowl. I'm going to add the eggs to the mixing bowl. Add a little bit of the egg whites, probably about a half a cup. And about a half teaspoon of the salt. And whisk them around so they're all mixed up. And then add them into the baking sheet that I lined with the parchment paper. Get them just spread all the way to the edge as much as I can, and then add this to the oven. Time that for 10 minutes. And continue to work on my filling. It's ready to remove from the oven. Check out this beautiful thing. It looks like a flat little wrap. Now all we have to do is decorate it. So I'm going to salt and pepper this a little bit. Two-thirds of my family doesn't want to eat keto things, so I'm going to give them hash browns and garlic sausage on the inside. And of course, I'm the one who does want that, so I'm going to put that filling that I created on the inside. This is our beautiful roasted red peppers, portobello mushrooms, onions, and garlic. Then I'm going to return that to the oven for just a few minutes just to let the cheese melt. Then I'm going to wrap it all up. Look at this amazing thing now. Now that it's brought out of the oven, I cooled it, I'm just going to wrap it right up. Now you can put whatever you would like in here. Maybe you're a person who would like a ground beef burrito. Maybe you're a person that would like it to be a chicken fajita. But you can take it and use it however you like. This is your creative platform to kind of make your own keto wrap. And your family will absolutely love it. Look at this bright, pretty one here who's going to enjoy this. If you enjoyed this video and you really like this, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.